Lecture is given to you now. What is a thing you experience no matter what? There is a matter of a mathematical certainty. The one as a mathematical certainty shall be committing a mistake. Nobody is impeccable here. In the civilized world, one thing is very clear. There's a one as a mathematical certainty. You cannot avoid committing a mistake because you are a human being who is imperfect. No one is perfect here on earth. It is a matter no one can change. Therefore, I'd like you to face this matter as a matter of inevitability, as for you to tread your path. You wish to develop yourself no matter what. Otherwise, it is impossible to make sense as a being who possesses possibility to do new things here as one of beings. Do you listen to some voice spoken by a lawyer and philosopher? Francis Bacon, who was born in 1561 in London and died in 1626. What you need to think of no matter what should be the importance of empiricism. I'd like you to value the importance of experience. People learn by experience. Then you have your possibility to develop yourself through experiencing new things again and again. What is the meaning of today? You have a day newly today as for you to experience new things. What is the meaning of another day tomorrow? You have another day tomorrow to experience other new things. You continue experiencing so based upon the importance of empiricism. Those days, Francis Bacon was experiencing in England. Do you listen to some essential voice spoken by Francis Bacon through imagining the experience of era of Queen Elizabeth the First? It is pretty important for you to imagine such era, for you to wake up once again intellectually and rationally. I'd like you to drive yourself into a corner. There is no tomorrow. It is nice simply to tell yourself, there is no tomorrow. Then you're ready to use full energy to be standing upon the edge of a perpendicular cliff. That's the thing I'd like to experience every day. The lecture shall be finished now.